Is Rainbow Six Siege telling you it can't find Uplay, killing your gaming buzz? Let's fix that. First, ensure Uplay, now known as Ubisoft Connect, is actually running in the background. Look for its icon in your system tray, typically in the lower right corner of your screen. If it's not there, manually launch Ubisoft Connect. If it's running, right-click the icon in the system tray and select Exit. Then restart the application to refresh the connection. Next, let's check your internet connection. Rainbow Six Siege and Ubisoft Connect require a stable internet connection to communicate, so test your internet speed. If it's slow, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Now, it's time to ensure your firewall isn't blocking either Rainbow Six Siege or Ubisoft Connect. Go to your firewall settings and make sure both programs are allowed to communicate through the firewall. Time to check for corrupted game files in Ubisoft Connect. Navigate to Rainbow Six Siege, click Properties, and then select Verify Files. This will check for and repair any damaged files, potentially resolving the connection issue. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes cause compatibility issues, so update your graphics drivers to the latest version directly from the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, depending on your graphics card. Finally, give your computer a simple restart. This can resolve temporary software conflicts that might be preventing Rainbow Six Siege from connecting to Ubisoft Connect.